Hey everyone, welcome back to the Financial Freedom, the channel where we talk about everything you need to know to achieve true financial independence. If you are serious about securing your financial future, then you are in the right place. Today we are going to cover a topic that's on the minds of many people right now: how to achieve financial freedom, especially through cryptocurrency. With all the uncertainty in the markets, including the ongoing crisis in the Los Angeles due to the fires and the upcoming political changes with Trump's return in January, it's a critical time to make informed financial discussions, where we are also going to cover the best coins to buy in 2025, when to buy them, how to time your entry into the market, and how all of these factors could impact our journey toward financial freedom. So grab a set because this one is going to be packed with insights. Let's start by discussing the current economic situation in the USA, where we're seeing a lot of volatility, whether in the devastating fires in the Los Angeles or the political uncertainty surrounding Trump's return. These kinds of events can cause panic in the markets, but the key is not to the panic yourself. In times of uncertainty, people often turn to safe haven assets, and there's a cryptocurrency and plug a huge role. Unlike traditional investment, crypto offers a decentralized alternative that doesn't rely on centralized financial situations, making an appealing choice in the economy when the economy is unstable. Well, cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have like ups and downs. They are seen by many as the huge adjustment in inflation, political instability, and economic drumdown. With the ongoing changes, it's important to make the digital assets a part of the portfolio. Now, with Trump expected return to power in January 2025, people are crisis about how this will affect this market. Historically, Trump's political party's policies has caused the markets to swing. This some swings gains, especially in sectors like energy, finance, and real estate. However, on area where Trump policies might have an interesting impact in the cryptocurrency world. If our government takes a more friendly stance towards crypto under in the leadership, we could see more institutional adoption. At the same time, political uncertainty could lead a short-term volatility. So whether you are trading stocks or crypto, it's a extensional stay alert and prepared of the unexpected. But here's a silver living volatility. Also certain buying opportunities. How long-term investors now you to play the market wisely, timing your investments during these dives and led to significant rewards. Now let's get into the meat of today's videos, the best coins to buy for 2025 and how you can position yourself on the financial freedom. Number 1, Bitcoin. Bitcoin remains the king of the cryptocurrencies, and it's no surprise that all still one of the best assets to the whole of the long-term financial freedom. Its reputation and the digital gold is well earned, and even though its violate, Bitcoin has historically provided high returns and over a long run. It's an extensional part of the crypto portfolio. Number 2, Ethereum. Next up in the Ethereum is just a digital currency. It's a platform that allows decentralized applications to be built in the blockchain. The potential and Ethereum is huge, especially on the ongoing Ethereum's 2.0 upgrades the promise of the reduced fees and makes transactions faster and more efficient. Projects to and build on the Ethereum, its cost could rise significantly. Number 3, Crowdo. Crowdo is a blockchain that focuses on the sustainability and academic research. It's often seen as a competitor on the Ethereum, and it's a lot of the potential of the future growth as more projects look for environmentally friendly and scalable platforms. Crowdo could become a top contender in the crypto space. Number 4, Polkadot. Polkadot in the design to solve on the biggest change in the crypto space. It allows different blockchains to communicate with each other, making it a key player. The future of the decentralized application Polkadot is still undervalued compared to some of its competitors, but it's worth watching closely to the future growth. When to buy, timing the market. One question I get all the time is when is the best time to buy crypto? The truth is timing the market perfectly is extremely difficult, but that doesn't mean you can't use strategies to get the best entry points. Number one, dollar cost averaging. One of the most strategies from the overcomes on the dollar cost averaging. They involve investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals regardless of the market price. By doing this, you average out of this cost and avoiding trying on the market perfectly. It's especially useful in the volatile markets like crypto. Number two, look of the market cycles. Cryptocurrencies go through cycles to bullish and bearish trends. Right now, after a recent market dip, we are in the recovery phase. However, as we approach January 2025, with political changes haven't we might see some volatility. So if you are looking for a good entry point, watch for dips and support levels. Number three, patterns in key. Don't let short-term market movements cause to make rash discussions. Crypto can be volatile and it's representing swings. Better financial freedom in the constantly. Number three, risk management in cryptocurrency. Speaking of the volatility, let's talk about risk management. One of the best mistakes people make in crypto is putting on their money into one of coin of the not having a risk management strategy at all. Crypto investment and skyrocket, but then you can also drop quickly. Here are a few ways to manage your risk. Diversify. Don't put all of the money into one coin, whether it's Bitcoin or Ethereum. Separate your investments across multiple assets. That's why if your one coin drops, that other might help balance out of your portfolio. Use stop loss orders. Set stop loss order to limit your potential losses. This is especially important to the short-term traders. Invest only if you can abroad to loss. Crypto is a high risk management, high reward investment. Never invest more than you can afford to lose as price can fluctuate widely. Another exciting opportunity in the crypto world is decentralized finance. If you want to generate passive income from your crypto investments, DeFi is something to consider. Platforms like Compound and Aave allow to earn interest by leading your crypto. Additionally, you can stake your coins to help secure the network and earn rewards. For example, with Ethereum 2.0, you can stake your Ethereum and earn a yield on the holdings. If you are serious about financial freedom, it's part to start thinking about creative passive income streams, DeFi and staking, and create ways to do in the world of the crypto constellations. To wrap up, achieving financial freedom is not a get rich quickly scheme. It takes time, discipline, and smart investment. Crypto, when approached with the right strategies, and can play a major role in the financial future. But remember, it's not the only option. Diversification across multiple asset classes is key. Look at cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano, the long-term growth, and use strategies like dollar cost averaging to reduce your exposure to market volatility. Also, don't forget to participate risk management and explore opportunities to DeFi to generate passive income. Finally, with the political changes and economic stability happening in the USA, it's critical to stay informed that are ready to adapt. The key to financial freedom is making educate discussions and staying patent when even the market gets rocky. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and turn on the notification so you don't miss any of your future content to how to achieve financial freedom through smart investments. See you in the next